We're going to walk you through the JLT 3.0 oil separator installation on your Kia Stinger. Included in the JLT kit is a fully assembled oil separator with hoses, mounting bracket, mounting screws, and hose clamp. The tools you'll need for installation is a pair of pliers, 12mm socket, ratchet, and extension, a standard screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Also, a 1/4-inch nut driver will come in handy towards the end of our installation if you have one. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is prep our oil separator for installation. We're going to pre-install our bracket onto our can. We're going to line up the JLT logos and then use the supplied screws. And you can go and tighten those down. Next, we're going to want to locate our PCV line, which is on the passenger side. It's running from the valve cover to the intake manifold. We're going to squeeze this clamp with our pliers and slide it back, like so. And then we need to remove this hose. You can grab your same pliers to break this seal free. Just twist the hose and remove. Next, our mounting location is this 12mm bolt right here that's holding this brace. I'm going to remove this bolt. Grab our JLT can that we attached to our bracket. Put it over the brace and reinstall your bolt. Don't tighten your bolt yet all the way, just snug it up with your fingers. Alright, now we need to work on connecting our hoses. Take the hose clamp that was supplied by JLT and slide it over the JLT hose. This is going to install onto the intake manifold. Now you can use your flathead screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to tighten up this clamp. Go ahead and snug that up. It doesn't need to be crazy tight, just tight enough to seal air to hold that hose on there. And then for the male fitting on the JLT, I recommend running the factory line underneath the second line for cleaner installation. You're going to push that fitting into the hose. Take your pliers and slide your clamp up to secure that connection. Once the can is in the location that makes the most sense for your hose routing, tighten up your 12mm bolt. And that completes your installation.